What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. On this one today, Kanebilt reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review their LED headlight. And of course, I was super excited that they reached out again after I reviewed the seat right there on the R. So they went ahead and sent me two brackets, or a set of brackets, I guess, and screws, and the LED headlight with the switch here. And this time they wanted me to review it on the CX right here on the left. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, so stick around for this. All right, guys, so the process of putting on the bracket should be pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead and link up the video that I did for the Halo headlight that I got from Kanebilt. This light I did purchase myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and link it up here so that way you guys can see how to install the brackets on your bike. If there's any major changes, I'll go ahead and put them up here in this video. Alright guys, so a quick rundown on how this bracket works and how I placed it here on this side. The bracket is gonna go this way on the bike, and there's two grooves right here where you can place the other part of the bracket right there, okay? And once you do that, I went ahead and I put the screw on the inside, and you guys will see why. So you're gonna loop it through over here on this side of the bracket, and you're gonna put your nut or washer there. I had to get this tool that I have here at home handy, just to secure the bracket. All right, so both brackets are pretty decently tight there. I'll go ahead and tighten this a little more. Yep, that's pretty solid. So that's how the brackets are gonna go on your CX bike. And we'll go ahead and move forward with the headlight that's gonna go here. All right guys, so normally when you purchase this headlight for the CX or for the R here on the right, you usually purchase it with the battery pack. This time when Kanebilt contacted me, they asked me which bikes I had, and I did tell them that I had the Halo LED bike on the R. So they went ahead and sent me only the light. This is what you will get if you were to purchase it for your S2 or for your RX, which come with the light plug-in, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and use my battery pack from the R bike and the cable that comes with the light. And so what this is gonna do, we are gonna go ahead and plug this here. Make sure that you line it up properly here too whenever you try to do this. And once you have this cable attached, this other end is gonna go in the battery pack. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use what I have, my battery pack and my cable, and I will go ahead and contact Kanebilt eventually so that I can have its own battery pack and its own cable on the CX. So once you have the brackets installed, the actual light itself is very easy to put on the brackets. Basically, you get two washers. I like to put one on the screw, put it through here, and then I like to loop the other one on the other side. As you can see, find the height that you want. You do get two holes where you can put your headlight. You can either go a little bit higher, just like I did, or you can go slightly lower. But that's on you to pick. Once you screw it on, just make sure that it's tight enough. At least that's what I'm doing, or for the purpose of this test. Here we go. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this and the battery pack on this end, and I will check you guys here in a second. All right guys, so the light is put on. I have my little power on button right here, and for the purpose of this video, like I said, I'm using the battery pack from my other headlight and its cable, and I just have it wrapped up here. We'll go ahead and take this plastic off here on video with you guys. Look at that. That is nice, man. And well, just turn it on. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna power on the battery pack first. All right, so we get just the LED bar on. So it's got two different settings here on the adapter. So this is setting 1. Whoa, okay. So we see the top of the light and the halo turn on. And when we go to the second setting, it's gonna do this. So that must be the high beam, I believe. So low beam, high beam, and you have your LED bar in the middle. So far the light is looking super good, man. My garage is fully lit right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take it on the road and try to get you guys a few better shots. Stick around. All right guys, so I'm right outside my street, and I'm gonna go ahead and power on the light, and we have it just with the LED light. Let's check it out. Okay, so we get a little bit of light, as we can see. Let's see, low beam. Wow, that is nice. High beam. Okay. Yeah, okay, this is nice, guys. Let's go and take it for a spin. Okay, so right now I do have the high beam on. That is quite a bit the distance, in my opinion. Definitely this headlight is very nice. I mean, it's working great. I do like the option of the low beam and high beam. The halo headlight that I bought almost 2 years ago did not have that option. They had removed the high beam option, so I'm glad they got it back. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to the low beam. Yeah, this is nice, guys. I'm excited, and I'm super excited that I am trying it on the CX, because we ride this bike with my son, and so definitely he's gonna help us out quite a bit. So I just want to show you guys off the bike what it looks like and how much reach that light has. We see the light coming all the way out here and all the way over there on the right side too, quite a bit. I mean, this light is really freaking cool, man. Thank you, Kanebilt. I appreciate you. Thank you, Kanebilt, for letting me review your LED headlight. I appreciate you, and thank you for letting me keep it. I can't wait to get a battery pack so I can ride the CX and the R both with headlights. I mean, that's gonna be nice riding in downtown, riding all over town, really. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you can check out more of this headlight and the Super 73 bikes. Peace.